Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix set dressing and object placement mistakes in Meccha Chameleon. So if your disguise keeps getting spotted because it looks out of place, just follow along. First, take a look at the environment around your hiding spot and ask yourself whether your character actually belongs there. Many players choose good colors but hide in locations that don't make sense. Next, compare nearby objects and observe how they are arranged, and try positioning yourself in a way that matches the natural layout of the room. And avoid standing alone in open spaces where objects normally wouldn't appear. After that, use a matching pole and paint scheme to blend within the surrounding decorations. If your placement feels natural, players are much less likely to investigate. So that was how to fix set dressing and object placement mistakes in Meccha Chameleon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.